Hello, class 9th students. This is Lines and Angles, chapter 6 of the mathematics book. हम पहले definitions पे start करते हैं. पहली definition है point की. What is a point? अगर हम कहेंगे कि point क्या है, हम सीधे सीधे कहेंगे एक डॉट. कोई भी डॉट जो किसी चीज़ की लोकेशन देती है उसको बोलते हैं पॉइंट. तो मैं लिख सकता हूँ पॉइंट की डेफिनेशन. इट इज अ डॉट विच गिव्स लोकेशन ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. ऐसे ही अगर मैं लाइन की डेफिनेशन बोलूँ तो लाइन हम किस चीज़ को बोलते हैं, अगर हम यही पॉइंट्स नज़दीक नज़दीक लेंगे जो बिल्कुल नज़दीक हो, इनको ये क्लोजली पैक्ड होंगे तो ये एक लाइन बन जाएगी. इट इज़ अ नैरो बैंड ऑफ पॉइंट्स. नैरो बैंड ऑफ पॉइंट्स बोल सकते हैं हम इसको, या फिर हम दूसरी डेफिनेशन भी ले सकते हैं. इट इज अ सेट ऑफ पॉइंट्स. सेट ऑफ पॉइंट्स. दीज पॉइंट्स शुड बी क्लोजली पैक्ड. सेट ऑफ पॉइंट्स विच आर क्लोजली पैक्ड. या मैं एक और डेफिनेशन बोल सकता हूँ कि अगर मैं एक पॉइंट लूँ और इसको दोनों साइड रिड्यूस करूँ, दोनों साइड से इन्फिनाइटली. if a point is produced infinitely on both sides, then we get a line. बहुत डेफिनेशंस दे सकते हैं लाइन की कि इट इज़ अ नैरो बैंड ऑफ पॉइंट्स, और इट इज़ द सेट ऑफ पॉइंट्स विच आर क्लोजली पैक्ड पॉइंट्स, और इट कैन बी सेड दैट if a point is produced infinitely on both sides we will get a line. One more thing about line is that we are denoting a line by drawing straight line and putting arrows at the end, because these arrows denote that we don't know that which are the end points. Means कि end points are not known. Some people say that there are no end points. That is wrong. It's actually there. The end points of a line are not known, that we don't know the end points of a line. अब इसके बाद आती है डेफिनेशन रे की. What is a ray? If a point is produced only on one side infinitely, then it is said to be a ray. Or I can say that a ray is a line where one end point is known. One end point is known. If we write the definition, that can be, it is a line in which we know one end point, where one end point is known, or in which we know one end point. It is the definition of a ray. And after the ray, it is line segment. Line segment means it is the segment. Segment means part. It is the part of a line. That is, if we draw a line like this, and if we take any 2 points on this line, A and B, this AB is called the line segment of line L. If L is the line, A and B are 2 points anywhere on the line, then AB is called line segment Now let's talk about an angle. What is an angle? If we draw a line, that is AB, if AB is the line, if this marker is the line here, and we take that, we fix point A and keep B as open that it can move around, and if we move it, if we rotate it, it will be fixed at point A, it will be not fixed at point B. That means that it is free to move on the side of B, but it is fixed on the side of A. If we rotate it, this is the rotation, ये है वो रोटेशन जिसकी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. ये अपनी जगह से यहाँ से भी रोटेट हो सकती हैं, यहाँ से भी रोटेट हो सकती हैं. अगर मैं ये कहूँ कि ये पॉइंट यहाँ पे था बी पॉइंट, ये मैं इसको यहाँ से यहाँ लेके जाऊँगा. इफ़ आई टेक इट फ्रॉम हियर to here, this position B dash, if this is the B dash position and this is A, this is B, and I can draw, if I join A and B dash, the rotation, that is this rotation from its original position, rotation from this original position can be called as the angle. It is the measure of the rotation of a line, from its original position to a new position is called an angle. This rotation can be anything. If this rotation, if this is the line AB, if this rotation is like this till this, if the rotation is not 90 degrees but is less than 90 degree, anywhere between 0 to 90 degree, anywhere between 0 degree to 90 degree is called an acute angle. This is called an acute angle. And now if we draw a perfect 90 degree, it is called a right angle. A right angle. Therefore we can say that measure of an angle that is acute is between 0 and 90 degree, but not 0 and not 90 degree. And if we talk about right angle, it is only 90 degree, not 90.1 or 89.9. It is perfectly 90. And the thing is that there is a postulate that tells that every right angle is equal, as each angle is always equal to 90 degree, because every right angle is equal to 90 degree, therefore all right angles are equal. And if this rotation is more than 90 degree, it is more than 90 degree, greater than 90 degree. If it is greater than 90 degree, this rotation, then the angle is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. If the rotation is greater than 90 degree but is less than 180 degree, means we can say that the angle between 90 degree and 180 degree is called an obtuse angle, not 90, not 180 degree, but the angles between 90 degree and 180 degree are called obtuse angles. And if a line, this AB, rotates in such a way that the rotation is equal to 180 degree, this is 180 degree angle, it is a straight line. 180 degree angle means a straight line. If we have any point anywhere, then this on a straight line, at that point the angle will be 180 degree. This angle is called straight angle. Straight angle. And there is one another case, that if a line rotates in such a way that it comes back to its original position, such that I will show that if this is the original position and it rotates in this way, in this manner, and comes back to the same point from where it started, it completes an angle that is called a complete angle. Complete angle. And its measure is always equal to 360 degree. Or we can say that angle in a circle is 360 degree. Here, because the rotation completes a circle. And after that it is, if we take this, if this is an angle ABC, if this is angle ABC is the angle, if its measure is x and the measure of this remaining angle is called the reflex of angle x, this angle x, it is always written as reflex. We can say that reflex of any angle x is always equal to 360 degree minus that angle x. It is actually reflex angle is always equal to 360 minus the same angle whose reflex we are calculating. There are two more things about angles, that is complementary angles and supplementary angles. If we talk about complementary angles are actually sum of two angles, or I can say that if sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, then both the angles are called complementary angles. And if we talk about the supplementary angles, their sum is 180 degree. These are also two angles, and supplementary and complementary both are two angles, or I can say that it is the sum of two angles 90 or 80. If it is 90, it is called those angles are called complementary angles, and if the sum is 180 degree, those angles are called supplementary angles.